The 5 foods I'm sharing today aren't just high in protein. They're complete nutritional powerhouses that address the unique challenges of aging. They help your body absorb and utilize protein more effectively, reduce inflammation that causes joint pain, support gut health for better nutrient absorption, and provide sustained energy without the crashes that come with processed foods. A blue-green algae that's been growing on Earth for over 3 billion years. This isn't some trendy superfood that appeared overnight. This is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, containing more protein per gram than any animal source. What makes spirulina extraordinary for people over 50 is its protein digestibility. While your aging digestive system might struggle to break down and absorb protein from meat or dairy, spirulina's protein is so easily absorbed that your body can use up to 95% of it. This matters tremendously because as we age, we often eat enough protein, but our bodies can't process it efficiently. Spirulina solves this problem completely. Each tablespoon of spirulina powder contains about 4 grams of complete protein, meaning it has all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need for repair and growth. But spirulina goes beyond protein. It's loaded with iron, which becomes increasingly important as we age and our energy levels naturally decline. Iron deficiency is surprisingly common in people over 50, leading to chronic fatigue and muscle weakness that many people accept as normal aging. The best time to consume spirulina is in the morning, mixed into a smoothie or stirred into water. Some people mix it into yogurt or juice if they find the taste too strong initially. Spirulina also supports gut health through its natural chlorophyll content, which helps balance your digestive system and improve nutrient absorption from other foods you eat throughout the day. However, spirulina does come with some precautions. Some people experience mild nausea or digestive upset if they start with too much too quickly. Also, if you're taking blood-thinning medications, consult your doctor before adding spirulina to your routine, as it can affect blood clotting. People with autoimmune conditions should also check with their healthcare provider first. Hemp seeds might be the most underrated protein source in existence. Despite their association with marijuana, hemp seeds contain no psychoactive compounds whatsoever. What they do contain is a perfect protein profile that's ideal for aging bodies, plus essential fatty acids that directly support joint health and reduce inflammation. 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds provide about 10 grams of complete protein, but the real magic lies in their omega fatty acid ratio. Hemp seeds contain the optimal 3-to-1 ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids, which is exactly what your joints need to stay lubricated and pain-free. As we age, chronic inflammation becomes one of the biggest obstacles to maintaining muscle mass and joint mobility. Hemp seeds naturally combat this inflammation from the inside out. The protein in hemp seeds is particularly easy for aging digestive systems to process. Hemp seeds are gentle on your stomach while delivering powerful nutrition. They also contain magnesium, which is essential for muscle function and recovery, and zinc, which supports protein synthesis at the cellular level. Hemp seeds are incredibly versatile in timing. You can sprinkle them on your morning cereal or yogurt for sustained energy throughout the day. Many people find them satisfying as an afternoon snack, helping to maintain steady energy levels without blood sugar spikes. From a gut health perspective, hemp seeds contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, supporting healthy digestion and helping your body absorb nutrients more effectively from other foods. The main precaution with hemp seeds involves their high calorie density. 3 tablespoons contain about 170 calories, so portion control matters if you're managing your weight. Some people also experience mild digestive adjustment when first introducing hemp seeds, so start with 1 tablespoon daily and gradually increase. If you're on blood pressure medication, monitor your levels closely as the omega-3 fatty acids can have a mild blood pressure lowering effect. Tempeh is fermented soybeans formed into a dense, nutty cake, and it's one of the most effective muscle-building foods for people over 50. The fermentation process creates something remarkable. It breaks down the proteins into smaller, more digestible pieces while adding beneficial probiotics that support gut health and nutrient absorption. What sets tempeh apart from other soy products is its protein density and digestibility. A 3-ounce serving contains about 16 grams of complete protein, but because it's fermented, your aging digestive system can process it much more efficiently than unfermented soy products like tofu. The fermentation also creates beneficial enzymes that help your body break down and utilize protein from other foods you eat. Tempeh contains isoflavones, plant compounds that become increasingly important for people over 50. These compounds help maintain bone density, support hormone balance, and may help your muscles respond more effectively to protein intake. The timing for tempeh consumption is flexible, but it's particularly effective as a lunch or dinner protein source. The combination of protein and probiotics helps maintain steady energy levels throughout the afternoon and supports overnight muscle recovery. Tempeh's probiotic content directly supports gut health. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for nutrient absorption, immune function, and even mood regulation. The beneficial bacteria in tempeh help maintain this balance while supporting overall digestive health. However, tempeh requires some caution for certain individuals. People with soy allergies should obviously avoid it completely. Those with digestive sensitivities should start with small portions, perhaps 2 ounces initially, to gauge their body's response. The high fiber content can cause gas or bloating in some people, particularly those not used to fermented foods. Additionally, tempeh is high in purines, so people with gout should limit their intake. Nutritional yeast looks like golden flakes and tastes remarkably similar to cheese, but it's actually a deactivated yeast that's become a secret weapon for people over 50 who want to maintain muscle mass and energy levels. What makes nutritional yeast extraordinary is its combination of complete protein and B vitamins, particularly B12, which becomes critically important as we age. 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast provide about 8 grams of complete protein, but the real value lies in its B vitamin content. Nutritional yeast provides more B12 than many supplements, plus it includes the full spectrum of B vitamins that work together to support energy production and muscle function. The protein in nutritional yeast is unique because it's already partially broken down, making it extremely easy for aging digestive systems to absorb and utilize. The amino acid profile is complete, providing all the building blocks your muscles need for repair and maintenance. Nutritional yeast is incredibly versatile in timing. You can sprinkle it on scrambled eggs in the morning for sustained energy, add it to soups or salads at lunch, or stir it into pasta dishes for dinner. The B vitamins in nutritional yeast directly support nervous system function, which becomes increasingly important for maintaining muscle coordination and strength as we age. From a gut health perspective, nutritional yeast contains beta-glucans, compounds that support immune function and help maintain healthy gut bacteria balance. The main precaution with nutritional yeast involves people with yeast sensitivities or Crohn's disease, who should avoid it completely. So start with 1 tablespoon daily and gradually increase. The high B vitamin content means you should avoid taking additional B vitamin supplements without consulting your doctor. Black chana, also known as black chickpeas or kala chana, is a legume that's been sustaining human muscle and energy for thousands of years. Unlike regular chickpeas, black chana is smaller, denser, and significantly higher in protein and minerals that become crucial for people over 50. 1 cup of cooked black chana provides about 15 grams of protein, but what makes it special is its mineral profile. It's loaded with iron, magnesium, and potassium, minerals that many people over 50 become deficient in, leading to muscle weakness, fatigue, and poor recovery. Black chana also contains significant amounts of folate and manganese, nutrients that support cellular energy production and help your body utilize protein more efficiently. As we age, our cellular energy production naturally declines, and black chana provides the specific nutrients needed to support this process. The best timing for black chana is as part of your lunch or early dinner, as it provides sustained energy release that can last for hours. The combination of protein and complex carbohydrates helps maintain steady blood sugar levels, preventing the energy crashes that become more common with age. Black chana supports gut health through its high fiber content and resistant starch, which feeds beneficial gut bacteria. The fiber in black chana also helps slow protein absorption, providing a steady stream of amino acids to your muscles over several hours rather than a quick spike. However, black chana requires careful introduction for many people. The high potassium content means people with kidney disease should consult their doctor before adding black chana to their regular diet. These 5 superfoods represent a complete approach to addressing the unique nutritional challenges that come with aging. They're not magic bullets that will instantly reverse years of muscle loss or eliminate joint pain overnight. Instead, they're powerful tools that work with your body's natural processes to support muscle maintenance, energy production, and overall vitality. The key to success with these foods is consistency rather than perfection. You don't need to incorporate all 5 immediately or eat them in large quantities. Start with the one that appeals to you most or fits most easily into your current eating pattern. Give your body time to adjust and respond. Then gradually add others as you feel ready. Start today. Choose one superfood and make it part of your routine. Your future self will thank you for the investment you make in your health and vitality right now.